All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Usually we take a tour around China and Beijing, see some new things from that area, but sometimes we like to go off the beaten path and take you to some other areas. So today we're going to take you to the small island of Sicily. Where we decided to spend a nice vacation there. We didn't want to get into the tourist traps of Rome and Venice. I mean, although they are fantastic places to go visit, but that's not really where you always want to go because the tourist hassle and everything else. So we like to go places that maybe some of the locals or Italian folks would go. To Teresa, Sicily, which is right off the base of Mount Etna, which is a very interesting place to go. Probably many people have never gone there. And that's what makes this one of the perfect little vacation spots. It's a fantastic place for snorkeling and boating and any kind of water sports you may be interested in doing. It's got like really rocky ocean floor bottom, and it has little lava rock formations just off the coast. Very cool place. We had such a wonderful time here, and I always recommend somebody not to just go to Rome or, Florence or Venice or any place like that, some of the major places. Like, do yourself a favor and really go down to Sicily and check out this small island. You'll have a wonderful time. You'll have the freshest food, the freshest ocean food, more so than Rome or maybe even Venice. We spent a couple days in Venice, spent a couple days in Rome, but we spent like the majority of our time here in Teresa. Check it out, see some of the fun things we got to do, and check out some of the snorkeling videos that we have. Now, as you can see here, this water is so blue, so clear. You just go right off the coast and you can find many fish. You got to see some sea cucumbers, which is kind of a little bit different to me. And my wife, she doesn't really see much of this in China. So that's what was really fun about going to the Mediterranean. Well, we're really big into diving and snorkeling and doing that kind of thing, and we even got to rent a boat and check out some of the pieces around the island there, some of the rock formations from Mount Etna and the volcano there. So it's a very rocky beach. We did not take a tour up to Mount Etna, but you can go hiking up there. Again, this is probably going to be a great vacation for you if you're looking for a beach and an Italian experience and fantastic food. This is the place to go.